안녕하세요. 고니입니다. Happy Halloween. This is Goni. How was your Halloween? I've always wanted to get into the Halloween vibe too, but because Halloween isn't really part of Korean culture, I never had a way to experience it. I wonder how I could enjoy Halloween as a Korean at home by myself. People make pumpkin lanterns for Halloween, the Jack-o'-lantern. I make dinner. Today's video isn't about a Jack-o'-lantern, it's about a Jack-o'-dog. Dog is stuffed inside a sweet pumpkin and steamed. People usually enjoy it with family or friends in Korea. This dish works for any occasion. Simply comforting and healthy. Before we start cooking, I need to get our pumpkin ready for today's Jack-o'-dog. I'll be right back. I've always wanted to try pumpkin carving. How does it look? Now let's start it on the real Jack-o'-dog. We're using dog, which is high in unsaturated fats and really good for your health. To get rid of strong odor from a dog, we're gonna use Korean cooking rice wine, 청주. We're gonna add maybe 2 tablespoons of it and mix it well with the dog. By the way, I got a whole dog from a butcher shop. I was the 14th customer and it was the last dog. Maybe other people also making a Jack-o'-dog. Okay, now I'll prepare for some vegetables. Green onion first. And I already prepared the onions, so I'll use the frozen onions. I'll cut the 청양 chili pepper. Now let's make a sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Oh, and I just found mushroom powder, so I'll use it 1 tablespoon. I just thought it would be delicious. I hope so. Okay. And 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 4 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper powder. Minced garlic, of course. 3. Okay, let's mix them. And for the last touch, for remaining odor, add a ginger syrup. This is kind of a kick of any meat or fish recipe. And to make it a bit spicy and flavorful, I'll add 청양 chili pepper and sesame oil. 청양 chili pepper. Now let's stir fry the dog. Dog is naturally fatty, so you don't need extra oil. Once it's cooked, take the dog out from the pan and set it aside. Even if the dog fat is good for your health this much, now remove a bit of the leftover fat from the pan, and we'll stir fry with this fat the vegetables. Add green onions and onion. When the veggies start to turn translucent, return the duck. Put in the seasoning. Oh, my hands hurt. Oh. Now it's ready to go into the pumpkin to steam. Okay. Fill the pumpkin generously. Poking the eye to feel the duck. Oh, I'm sorry. By the way, I named it an Amumu, the famous game, the League of Legends. My favorite character. Don't cry, Amumu. Close Amumu's head and let's steam it. Let's put our Jack O dog Amumu in the pot gently, and let's steam it for 8 minutes. Gently take out Amumu from the pot. Okay, I can make it. Okay. Let's go to the table. Finally, Jack O dog is ready. Take the head off gently. Ooh. Okay. I'm sorry, Amumu. Goodbye. Ooh. Really smooth. Do American people also use as a meal the jack-o'-lantern? Let's try. I'll take almost one of his eyes. And sweet pumpkin. Okay. It's really delicious. Let's try together duck and sweet pumpkin. I successfully done getting rid of the odor from the duck and made perfect Korean sauce, which is typically spicy, salty, and addictive, and red of course. Full duck and sweet pumpkin is really huge for one, but I had happy time with Amumu, the jack-o'-lantern, no, jack-o'-dog. I kinda miss the sweets for Halloween. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next one.